back, Jamzter Sqauders. You already know the vibes. Yes, sir. If you're watching this video, go ahead, hit that like button, comment button, share button, subscribe, share your boy. Like I said, every single time, we still going up. Yes, sir. So if you're watching this video right now and you see the title of this video, I'm installing the taillights for the Jeep. Yes. I've already done one side already. It's simple enough, nothing too hard. But you know, for content, right? Gotta be consistent. So any content out of anything. But yeah, these taillights look amazing. Pretty sure you saw that little snippet, the startup of the car. It's running shitty right now. It's running pretty shitty. But the taillights look good and the boot look good. So I likes it. I likes it a lot. So I have the tools ready here and everything. Here's the right side. I've already done the left side already, as you guys can see already. It looks so much cleaner than the actual OEM look. Not a fan of it. And this just gives it like that JDM red white candy cane look, OEM look. I just personally love it so much more. But yeah, man, let's get this started and get it over with. All right, you will need a 10mm socket, wrenches obviously. So I got my 10mm ready. I'm gonna use my 10mm, my mini socket with my extension, 10mm. And yeah, and you're gonna go off and take off. There's one, and there's supposed to be two here. That's gone. So oh well. All right, cool. And then there's another two on the inside, right here. Hold up, let me. Man, what this camera's trying to focus on something else. And then, God, hold up, cuz. Like I was saying, so there's this one right here, and then there's another one right here. I don't know if you guys can see. And that's really it. It's only really 4 bolts. Easiest thing you can do. After you disconnect that, you disconnect this, and yeah. So yeah, let's go. I'm not gonna even cap with you. I'm gonna use the impact. Faster, just saying. On the outside, I mean, it is one bolt. And inside, maybe we'll see. So already running into an issue. It's a stupid issue. I don't even know how, but I can't. I don't even know. I can't say if it's the last one or what. But look at this. So yeah, look at this. Look at this bolt right here, bro. So this bottom bolt right here, if you can look right there, right? That crap is spinning. This whole thing is spinning, and it looks like the last owner probably glued it, or in the case maybe so. I mean, from what it looks like, all right? I'm about to break the hell out this crap. I'm gonna break it. I'm gonna break it. And just pry that off. It's only that one bolt, so I mean, I'm not using it anyways. I got these, so yep. Bye bye taillight. Yes, sir. I got my big boy flag. It's bigger in person.
Fire for that.
Pause. Look at this. Look at this nonsense. I barely even touched it. And look at this. Look at this. I mean, think it's gonna be, dang, what's wrong? What's wrong? Oh, nothing. Look. Look. Just look.
Nigga!
Help me! It was already broken. It was literally broken. And yeah, man. It's already broken. Oh. Looky there. So that's just stuck in there now. It's off though, at least. Actually, yeah, I can get this off. I can get this off. Yes, sir, you know the vibes. Got it off. Boom. And obviously the impact, and just held it together. So yeah, that's all for problem. Pretty simple. Basura. Basura. now the next thing is to basically just disconnect this harness right here, and you just basically press this down, right, and it should automatically like pull out. Like it's this clip right here, this middle. Boom. Oh, hold up. Right here, hold on. There we go. Push the bottom and boom, pops out just like that. And this should actually, well actually, and then next, tripping, I thought it was gonna fall, but like actually it's gonna fall out once this rubber piece is pushed in. You see right there? Oh, ouch, my finger. And then boom. Yeah, I'm gonna make it fall. Yeah, I'm gonna make it. Should I resell these? Yeah, I'm not gonna make it fall. Well, it'll be worthless anyway. Look at these. These things are completely trash. Now, I'll keep them. I'm not gonna let them fall. Let them fall. Yeah. In case somebody does want to buy them. So yeah, that's really it. Out with the old, in with the new. And now you just basically do everything back in reverse, and that's really it. So let me just do that and then just show the final product. Alright guys, so I finished it. Like easy as hell. Like bro. Easy. Like really easy, so yeah. And there it is.
Oh my god! Wow!
Final look. You know what these taillights give me? They give me like the LS vibe. They give me that LS vibe look. Maybe that's what they, I mean, maybe there's a possibility, maybe that's how they're supposed to resemble. Other than that, these definitely look way better than the OEM ones. Now let's see what the lights on actually. Shit, you guys can actually see me. The light's pretty bright though, I ain't gonna tap. But yeah man, came out beautiful. I actually love the rear end. The rear end's about to get upgraded a little bit more. Just wait on that one. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, once again, just like I said in the beginning, hit that like button, comment, share, subscribe, boom, boom, boom. Yeah, man, I can't really say nothing more, but love you guys. JD and Jamzter Sqauders, we out. Deuces. La deuce. La popo deuce.